Hi learners, welcome to our today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn the name of 10 amphibians, animals that live both on land and in water. So, let's start. Number 1. Newt. N E W T Newt. Number 2. Frog. F R O G Frog. Number 3. Salamander. S A L A M A N D E R Salamander. Number 4. Turtle. T U R T L E Turtle. Number 5. Sicilian. C A E C I L I A N Sicilian. Number 6. Hellbender. H E L L B E N D E R Hellbender. Number 7. Xerothorax. G E R R O T H O R A X Gerothorax. Number 8. Axolotl. A X O L O T L Axolotl. Number 9. Mud puppy. M U D P U P P Y Mud puppy. Number 10. Sidon. S I R E N Sidon. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned to learn more. If you find this video helpful, then share with others. Hope you have learned the names of amphibians with proper spelling and pronunciation. So, have a good day.